Assalamu alaikum and a lovely morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are feeling great and having a fantastic day, enjoying your lectures and enjoying the day as well. Right now we are in our science class in which we are learning about the living and the non-living things, and we have discussed that there are living things and there are non-living things around us, and what is the difference in the living and non-living things. And today we are just going to learn a little more about that, to know a little more about that, and to revise that. So we'll have fun today. Okay, so first of all, I just want to share with you a video of the characteristics of living thing, right? So let's watch the video first.
Living things.
Now, what do they need?
Living things need a sun. They need air to grow. They walk. They eat. And they drink. Look. They also fly. And they swim.
Okay, thank you. So they have told us that what living things need to grow, to need to stay alive. Living thing needs, definitely we need sunlight. We all need sunlight, like humans need sunlight, animals need sunlight, and we need air to grow. We drink, we walk. Some living things fly, some living things even they swim into the water. So this is all what living things and non-living things do. So I'm just going to show you. I have like a couple of videos for you to see, and they're all wonderful, telling us about the living and the non-living things. So I'll show you that as well. But before that, I'm just going to share with you a picture in which we will just have a look at the different pictures, and we will see that. Like which one of them is the living things and which one of them is the non-living thing, right? So first of all, I will just like to let's see if I have the picture. Yes, so I have the picture, and I'm going to share my screen with you. Yay, so we are going to just have a look at this picture. Now look at this. Now we are just going to discuss only the living things here on the picture, which we can see right now. So there are a couple of pictures. There is a house, there is a spider and the pizza and the butterfly and the cookie, chocolate cookie, and a girl, cap, a fox, a snail, moon, shirt, tree, ant, chair, fire, and an ostrich, right? So as we have just seen that the living things, they need air, they need water, they eat, and they walk and they swim even. So there are like a couple of pictures which we're going to discuss that what we think about them. Are they living or they are non-living? Okay, so first of all, there is a house. We can see, let's start with the spider, right? Okay, let's start with the spider. Now have a look at this, the spider. Okay, now you're going to tell me that does spider walk, or he goes from one place to another place? Yes, the spider can walk. It can even grow. There are small spiders, but then they grow, and they reproduce. Even they make more spiders. So, what is spider? A living or a non-living thing? Yeah, spider is a non-living thing. Okay, now look at this piece of pizza. So, who made the pizza? Yeah, your mommy made the pizza. That's nice. So we can eat the pizza. Have you ever seen pizza walking? No, we haven't seen the pizza walking. That's great. So, what is the other thing? Yeah, okay. Now, the pizza is living or non-living thing? Yeah, that is a non-living thing. Okay, now, how about this butterfly? Yeah, butterfly flies. In the video, they've just told us that they fly even. The living things even fly and they breathe and they need air. So, what do you think a butterfly is? Yeah, that's a living thing. Okay, now the second picture about a cookie. We eat cookies, we like chocolate chip cookies, we make cookies, and can they walk? Do they need air to breathe? Do they drink water? No, they don't. So yeah, that's a non living thing. Okay, now there's a girl like you, like me, like human. Yes, they grow and they need air, they eat, they walk, they breathe. So, humans, the girl here is a living thing, right? Now, there's a cap we wear in winters. Yeah, it cannot move, so that's a non living thing. Okay, what about the fox? It's an animal. Yay, that can move, that can walk, that can run. So that's it. Yeah, that's a living thing. Good. And what about snail? Have you ever seen snail walking very slowly, 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 and then it eat, I think, mud and insects? Yeah, so both of them are living things over here. Right. Okay. So what about moon? Moon is a non-living thing. Yes. Okay, the shirt, non-living. Yes, it cannot move. A tree. Yeah, tree is a living thing. That's great. Yes, it needs air and water and soil. Very true. What about the ant? Ant even moves. Yeah, that's also a living thing. Very good. What about the chair? No, chair cannot move. It cannot grow. What about the fire? Okay, that's also a non-living thing. And the ostrich. Yeah, ostrich is a bird, so that is a living thing. Yay, that's great. That is super great. So, what we're going to do is we are going to um, watch another video. Hold on, we are going to watch another video. Okay, let's see.
Oh, hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about living beings, plants and animals. Oh, here we have a crocodile living in the sea, a snake slithering around, an elephant living in places,
Yeah,
monkey
monkey.
hanging on trees, and a lion. And here we see a lot of other animals and
Plants are
plants
also living,
and
animals are
the
living
jungle
things.
together. So now let's see.
Yay, see? Animals are non-living, they are living things. We have just seen the ostrich and the fox and the snail, right? They're all living things, right? So another video I'm just going to show you is this. So this also is telling us about the living things. Land animals are living things. Jungle animals, they're also living things. Farm animals are living things. All the reptiles are living things. The birds and the fish. The water animals, they're all living things. The birds are living things. Yay! All the living things. And now we are going to see and know about non-living things as well, right? A teddy bear cannot move. It's a non-living thing. Yes, a book. Book is also a non-living thing. Yeah, your desk, your chair, your pen, your pencil, markers, the toys you play with, the blocks and the cars and all, they're all, yeah, and the swings you take in the park. Yeah, there are many non-living things even around us, and there are many living things around us. That is super great. So this was, we have seen that the living and the non-living things. Okay, now I'm going to show you something, and you're going to now tell me, is this a living thing, the picture of a living thing, or a non-living thing, right? Yeah, that's a giraffe. So what do you think a giraffe is? We've just seen it in the jungle. Yeah, that's a living thing. That's great. Okay, now what about a lion? Lion eats, lion reproduce, lion breathe, lion walk. So it's a, yes, it's a living thing. Okay, now what about this? This can even move. Yes, the car can go from one place vroom, to another place, but that's the, it does not eat, it cannot move by itself, and it does not need sunlight. So this is a non-living thing. Yes. Okay, what about a grasshopper? That's an insect. The grasshopper moves, it eats. So this is a, yeah, living thing. Great. Okay. Oh, what about a butterfly? That's also an insect. Yeah, we've just done it. Yeah, that butterfly is living thing. Okay. What about a lorry or a truck? What do you think? It moves. It does not grow. Yes. When you have bought this, it was of the same size, and even after ages, like 10 years, 20 years, it will remain the same size. So this is a non-living thing. Yes, super great. A taxi. Yeah, that's also a non-living thing. Okay, a dragonfly. Zzz. Yes, that's a living thing. Yes, because they can reproduce, they can eat, they need sunlight, they grow, and they're so pretty beautiful. So they are living things. Yes, we did spider as well. But yeah, spider was a living thing. Super great. And then ship. They sail into the water, goes from one place to another place. That's also a non-living thing. Yes. Also, your pencils, your desk, your um, table, your books, they're all non-living things. Yeah, that's great. So this was our today's lecture of living and non-living things, and I hope you've enjoyed that, because I have enjoyed it a lot. So I'm going to say you goodbye from this class, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have. Till we see each other, inshallah, I'm going to say you goodbye and Allah Hafiz.